Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are staying safe. My name is Oguremite Grace. In case you're just joining us on this beautiful channel, thanks for joining us. And in case you're watching this video, you have not subscribed to this channel, please remember to click on that subscribe button and remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like it at the end of the video. And if you're a return subscriber, thanks for tuning in once again. And thanks for not abandoning your girl here. Okay, thank you so much. I really do appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for joining us. I just finished a live video. In case you want to go watch, please go and watch. We actually discussed a very great topic with great minded people in the chat which share their own opinion, so you can watch it and still drop your opinion at the comment section of the video. Okay, so yeah, let's just I was tagged. I saw this video on Betta's Corner and I was tagged to do the video, not tagged directly. She tagged every YouTuber on her channel, which was actually so nice. So it was not like a particular person. So she said every YouTuber watching that channel should make sure they do the video. So I'm doing the YouTubers tag, which I'm going to be answering a lot of questions about that. I'm going to be using the same questions she used on her channel on this channel. So let's just start the video. Okay, let's dive into the video. And the number one question on my list, sorry guys, in case I'm looking down, I'm actually looking at the list. The number one question is, how long have you been on YouTube? I've been on YouTube for 9 months. I think May 28th is going to be the 9th month. It's going to be my 9th month on YouTube. Yeah, just 9 months. The next question is, at what point do you think you stop? At what point do you think you stop or quit YouTube? I have never actually thought of leaving YouTube, even the times that I did not have time, because before now when I started, I was doing 2 videos in a day. But at a point, my job was so tedious that I just couldn't meet up for 2 times a week, and I couldn't just meet up with 2 times in a week. So I started doing once in a week, and even the once in a week is actually so stressful for me. But this lockdown period, thank God, I've actually had time. So I had actually never thought of leaving. I just thought of putting more effort into YouTube. What is the best thing about being a YouTuber? The best thing about being a YouTuber is an opportunity for you to be able to say what you want to say. It's an opportunity for you for your voice to be heard. It's an opportunity for you to kind of voice out your opinion about some things, because YouTube is a very large community. Some people come to YouTube for different purposes. So I think it's just a platform where you can show your skills, where you can make your voice known. Okay? And Ria's question is, what is the worst thing? You know, for every good thing there will always be a bad thing. So what's the worst thing about being a YouTuber? The worst thing about being a YouTuber is that you will be open for insult. Yeah, because a lot of people kind of see anybody on YouTube or any social media influencer as somebody they can just lash, they can just say anything to them. Like, we are humans, right? We are humans like you. So I think that's the worst thing about YouTube. People will just come to your comment section and say a whole lot of negative things about you. People just come and abuse you and all that. But actually, I have never experienced that. The only time I experienced it was somebody telling me I was not pronouncing one word correctly in English, and I'm like, hello, how are you? So instead of me to just reply, I kind of just removed the comments. That was it. So I have never experienced anybody abusing me on YouTube. The next question is, how many thumbnail options do you normally take? How many thumbnail options do you normally take? Sometimes I don't even take any thumbnail options. Sometimes I grab the picture from the videos I do. Like, seriously, some people actually take a special picture for their thumbnail, but I don't really know how to do that yet. Maybe because I use my phone and I try as much as possible to like do a very great thumbnail. Like, thanks to Sister Shola DN Vlog Live, she actually gave me a call through which day, and she was telling me, reviewing my channel. Thank you so much, ma, God bless you. She was actually telling me to pay attention to my thumbnail and all that. So I'm actually trying to edit some of my thumbnail so it will look out there. Because seriously, the first thing people see is your thumbnail, not even the topic. They search for the topic, but the thumbnail will attract them to watch that particular video, because a lot of people have actually done that particular topic they're searching for, but your thumbnail is what will make you stand out among all. Okay, so thumbnail is actually very good and very special, but I don't really pay too much attention to it. I'm trying my best, but I am trying my best, but I have not gotten there yet. Okay. Who is your YouTube crush? YouTube crush. YouTube crush. Do I have a YouTube crush? If you say who are my YouTube influencer, people that influence me or that influence me on YouTube, I have them a lot. But when you say YouTube crush, I don't think I have any YouTube crush for now. I think everybody's my crush. Everybody. If you're good, you're my crush. Everybody's my crush. I don't have a particular crush. Everybody's my crush. So even you as my subscriber, you are my crush. Who is on your collaboration list? My collaboration list. I have not done collaboration with anybody before. Okay, I've done collaboration with Equaviares before. Gibson is my colleague in school, and I did collaboration with him even before he started his channel. I think I did another collaboration with him after he started his channel. So that's the only person I've actually done collaboration with that is a YouTuber. Okay, that's it. I'm actually planning to do some collaboration with people, but that will be when I am in Nigeria. Here in this country, I don't have anybody here I can collaborate with. The person that's here that I can collaborate with speaks English and speaks Spanish and has a Spanish channel. So there's no way I can collaborate with them, except I want to speak Spanish on the channel. Okay, and the next question is, what are you wearing on your bottom half? What am I wearing on my bottom half? But seriously, do you know I actually forgot this question was actually among the questions, because when I was watching better, I'm like, okay, I have to wear clothes that day. But seriously, do you guys really want to see? Do you guys really want to see? I beg you, I am not wearing anything on my bottom half, so I cannot stand up. Okay, so guys, let me just show you what I'm wearing. I told you I just finished a live stream, so this is like a long top, and I'm just wearing this. This is a trouser, right? It's long, it's a trouser, and this is what I'm just wearing down. I'm actually wearing something because I just finished a live stream, and I was just thinking during the live stream I might have a cause to stand up to go and take water or something, and that was why I actually wear something. Not all YouTubers actually wear something. Most days I don't actually wear anything, because what you just have to see is this up part, and there is no point for me to be doing all this dressing up for a video when you're just seeing this part. So be guided. Okay, so the next question is, how long does it take you to click the record button? Wow, I think the record button is not actually the question. What the question is supposed to be, like, how many times do you do a video before you get the right video? Like, I don't really take long to click on the record button. When I'm ready, I just set I don't have anything to set up. This is my tripod and this is my phone on my tripod, and I just fix my phone there and I just start recording. But how many videos attempt I do before I get the right one is the main question. Sometimes I do introduction for like 3 times, I do introduction for like 2 times, and you know, that's actually the main problem. My introduction can be like 3-4 times before I will get the right one. Sometimes I have to like edit the four into themselves before I will get the right introduction. So introduction is like always the problem I have. Is, how do you feel about YouTube community and culture? I think YouTube community is like a very large community for everybody. I don't simply know how to answer that question. I don't really know how to answer that question. Let's just go to the next question. What is your secret to your successful YouTube channel? What is your my secret? I don't have any secret to a successful channel because I am still a small YouTuber. I have 779 subscribers, so I am still very small in this YouTube journey. So I am successful. At least I have 700 subscribers, right? So the secret is just hard work. Like last week, as I said earlier, I put a little hard work into this channel, and I saw the news. Like, I'm going to put a clip here. I opened my studio and I saw this clip, and I was just staring at it like, really, They said I got 2,000 plus view to my regular views in a week, like in a month. My regular views of 700 and something, I got 2,000 plus views. I was really happy because I just noticed what I did different this week is just to upload videos every day, and you guys get to watch it and all that, so it actually counts for me. I think putting more effort, dedicating more time, and doing the right thing for people out there, listening to your audience and all that, so I think that really helps a lot in this YouTube community and YouTube journey. And the last question is, who will you tag to do this video? Okay, let me just do like better. I'm not going to tag anybody in particular, so I am tagging you. Yes, you that is watching this YouTube channel. I am tagging you to do the same video if you like it and if you think you will love it. So you can do the same video, and put it on your channel and let me know if you done the video. You have to come back here and say, okay, I have done the video, come and watch. So I'll come to your channel and watch the video. Okay, come to the end of the video. I don't know if this video will be coming before my Yoruba tag or my Yoruba tag will be coming after this video. So any which way, make sure you look for the Yoruba tag video. Either it's out, I'll put the link up here, and if it's not out, look out for it. Look out for it. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you watch the stream video of love and suffering. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Stay safe and happy Sunday. Bye guys.